Welcome to our comparison of two popular ice makers from EUHOMY. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Portable Ice Maker. We'll discuss their unique features, including their ice production capabilities, the types of ice they produce, and their overall portability. Whether you're looking for a high-capacity machine for your home or a compact option for camping, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for drinks and cocktails. In contrast, the EUHOMY Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are great for cooling beverages but may not provide the same chewable texture. If you prefer nugget ice for your drinks, the Nugget Ice Maker is the way to go. However, if you are looking for a more traditional ice cube, the Portable Ice Maker will suit your needs. When it comes to ice production capacity, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker has a higher output, producing up to 35 pounds of ice in 24 hours. On the other hand, the EUHOMY Portable Ice Maker can produce 26.5 pounds per day. If you're hosting a large gathering or need a lot of ice, the Nugget Ice Maker may be the better choice. However, for smaller needs, the Portable Ice Maker still offers a respectable output. In terms of portability, the EUHOMY Portable Ice Maker is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport for camping trips or RV use. It weighs only 14 pounds and has a smaller footprint. In contrast, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is larger and heavier at 22 pounds, which may make it less convenient for travel. If you need an ice maker that you can easily take with you, the Portable Ice Maker is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Portable Ice Maker have their unique advantages. If you prioritize high ice production and prefer nugget ice, the Nugget Ice Maker is an excellent choice. However, if you need a more portable option with a lower price point, the Portable Ice Maker is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.